Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
No, wait, it's morning. It's morning.
Good afternoon.
Morning हो रही afternoon करते रहोगे हैं? Still morning. So this is a combined class of A and B. We'll do the maths work in this period.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today we will start the subtraction facts now.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now
Good
today
morning.
we will start the this facts. Subtraction
Good
facts.
morning,
जैसे
ma'am.
हमारे addition facts होते हैं वैसे ही subtraction facts भी होते हैं. So I'm going to teach you about subtraction facts. Wait. Fourth B is coming late. I don't know why they are coming late.
And ma'am, answer of the test.
Eh?
And ma'am, answer of the test.
Answer of the best means?
Ma'am, in the last time we have, in last class we have done test, division test.
Beta fourth A and B we have completed the both. अक्षर हमने complete कर लिया था ना? What problem? Let me check it.
Yes,
In fourth
ma'am.
PD.
Yes,
Word
ma'am.
problems complete हो गई है दोनों classes में. Yeah, we have to start the next question, right? Wait a minute, let me check. ठीक है, word problems complete हो गई हैं, so we are going to start subtraction facts. Wait a minute. Addition facts हमने पढ़े थे. We have done an activity of addition facts. Add जैसे add के please switch on your cameras. यशराज, महाजन, युवराज, अवनी, आलेर को बेटा WhatsApp पे ग्रुप पे sounds निकालनी आती है, but he does not know how to switch on his camera. He wants the link, but he never want to switch on this camera. है ना? Now listen here. So I'm going to teach you about subtraction facts. Subtraction facts. Okay? Wait. Let me spotlight. Yes. What are subtraction facts? देखो. जैसे कि addition fact था, I told you addition fact, if we add A and B and B and A, तो वो दोनों equal होते हैं. For example, if we add 2 to 3 or 3 to 2, 3 to is equals to 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5 and which is equals to 5. But this is not applicable in subtraction. This is not applicable in subtraction. Subtraction में minuend will always come up. Minuend will always come up. For example, if it is 3 minus 2 and if we do 2 minus 3, they both are not equal. This is a sign of not equal. E to equal to को cut कर देना. This is a sign of not equal. 3 minus 2 is not equal to 2 minus 3. Okay? So, this is not the fact of subtraction. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. अगर आपको ये दिया 5 minus 3, so it is 2, but you cannot do 3 minus 5. This is not possible. Okay, understood? Now, subtraction fact 1, ये fact तो होता ही नहीं है subtraction. आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते किसी को भी पहले subtract कर लो या बाद में. Now, fact number 1. The fact number 1 says that if you add 1 to the number, if you subtract 1 to the number, what you will get? You will get the predecessor of the number. +1 करते हैं किसी नंबर में तो सक्सेसर मिलता है, number में if we subtract 1 we will get the predecessor. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me log this meeting so that you not be able to rejoin and join again and again. Number minus 1 is equals to the predecessor and number plus 1 is equals to the successor. This subtraction factor. Fact number 2 says that if you add 0 to a number, if you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. If कोई भी number है, उसमें आप 0 add करोगे, you will get the same number. Shari Gupta, please switch off your mic. Stop fighting into your home. आपके घर में जितनी भी fighting हो रही है, सबको सुनाई दे रही है. So please switch this mic off. ठीक है? Now see, if you add any number to a 0, you will get the same number. Okay? जैसे कि if I add अक्षर में 0 add कर दिए तो क्या मिलेगा? अक्षर में
मैम
add किया तो क्या मिलेगा? अक्षर. Again you will get अक्षर. Okay? ठीक है? Now fact number 3 says if you subtract the same number 353, see they're coming so late and they will disturb between the class. 353 minus 353 is equals to 0. 3 minus 3, same number minus same number, you will get 0. Understood? You will get 0 if you subtract the two numbers together. That will be 0. So these are 3 subtraction facts. अच्छा, wait a minute. एक और था शायद नहीं. हाँ, ठीक है. If I ask you now, I'll not ask you the fact number 1 बताओ या fact number 2 बताओ या fact number 3 बताओ. What I'm going to ask you like there is any number 70645 minus dash is equals to 0. So what will be coming in that?
Ma'am, 7 lakh 6,012.
Same number when you will write. You will write the same number. Okay. Now you are getting 1010 minus dash is equals to 1010. If you are getting the same number here, that means what you are subtracting.
0.
Understood? Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I start teaching you the next? Shall I give you some questions?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, फैक्ट से बेस्ड अभी क्वेश्चन नहीं है बेटा.
Yes,
लिसन. फैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन नहीं है. फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट द सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ 5 डिजिट नंबर्स. फैक्ट के बेस पे जो भी क्वेश्चन आएंगे, बस ये ध्यान रखना, आप छोटे नंबर अगर ये दे रखा है 3 minus 5, तो आप 3 में से -5 नहीं कर सकते, आप बोरो करना पड़ेगा. आपको बराबर वाले से बोरो करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, बस इतना ध्यान रखना है. सब्ट्रैक्शन फैक्ट्स का मैं एक्सरसाइज सेपरेटली कराऊंगी, अलग से कराऊंगी एट द लास्ट. But now today, this time you have to start the next question of addition, subtraction of 5-digit numbers. You know 5-digit numbers? Wait a minute. You know about 5-digit numbers, right? देखो 5-digit numbers तो आपको पता है. What are the 5-digit numbers? You remember? Ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. If I ask you subtract, if I tell you subtract 9055. See, if I say subtract 9456.
I'm just written in copy.
Who's asking this question? Written in copy. Who is asking this question? Beta, I always mention at the top yes or no. I always mention in the class that where you should write it. Always मैं ऊपर लिखती हूँ maths copy या maths book. I always write. What is the need of this question? Are you attending my class for the first time? The one who is asking? Okay, say subtract this from, suppose the number is 38945. So देखो 5 at one place, 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 digits, so this will be 10,000. तो हम ये 10,000 तक के digits check कर रहे हैं 1 digit 2 digit 3 digit 4 digit 5 digits. So we will subtract the 5 digit numbers. 10,000 वाला 10,000 के नीचे 1000 वाला 1000 के नीचे ऐसे किया जाएगा. Okay, now take out your maths and notebooks quickly. Don't ask me this question, ma'am. Copy. Okay, keep your cameras on so that I can see what you are doing. Take out your maths and notebook. New page. Wait a minute. Subtraction facts और addition facts की मैं एक separate exercise कराऊंगी जो आपकी book में नहीं है after completing the chapter. I will give you as an extra exercise. Maths pair notebook new page. Maths pair notebook new page. Okay. Now we will start copy your 4th class. ये ठीक है. अब न्यू पेज पे राइट एक्सरसाइज 2.6. Write exercise 2.6 on a new page. Okay. Now, please to write start writing. Zoya, what are you looking at? Write question B. Write question B here. Question B is find the difference between the following. What do you mean by difference?
Ma'am, answer of subtraction.
Means the
Answer of subtraction. Very good. Find the difference of the following. Divide your page into 4 equal parts. Okay, write down the number, question number 1. $24,003. Now it will be 5-digit numbers. Okay, so where I'm putting comma, this is only one number. 21,999. This is question 1. Question 2 is 84,500 and 49,627. 56,234. 5,888. Question 4 is 93,115 and 87,787. Okay, okay. Start doing. Simple simples like subtract. Now she is entering. Now she will ask, ma'am, where we have to do this. She is entering late and then she will keep on asking the questions. Very good, Mishti. Very good. Aate hi beta. Start destroying the messing up. First of all, you are late and you're messing up here. Open your camera, Mishti. Nandini, Pratyaksh, open your cameras. Tanveer, open your camera. Yuvraj Singh, Zoya. Open your camera. Both the Yuvraj Singh, open your cameras. First of all, you sit idle. Pratyaksh Rathis, open your camera. Quick.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Water you can drink, but you cannot switch off your camera. Now do it quickly. Do not send the answers once you complete it. You just tell me that you have completed the answer.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, what is your name?
Misty.
मिष्टी हो क्या तुम्हारा ये? कहाँ से हो गया बेटा?
Yes,
इतना तो लेट ज्वाइन किया तुमने? हैं?
Ma'am, because ma'am, I have to quickly.
Because you do quickly. जरा मुझे send करना आंसर अभी के अभी. Within 2 minutes.
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
जरा मैं देखती हूँ नीट एंड क्लीन वर्क किया या ऐसे ही गंदा काम करके दे रख दिया है सारा का सारा.
Wait,
She
ma'am, I
enters.
can.
लैब में भी देख रही हूँ मैं. ऐसे दिखाओ मुझे कैमरा ऑन करके अपना. पेज दिखाओ मुझे अपना कैमरा ऑन करके.
Wait, ma'am.
She left.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I Rishabh Kumar. I want to ask something.
हाँ बोलो ऋषभ.
Ma'am, after the answer is coming, I make a box.
हाँ make a box and write it over there.
Okay.
Make a box and write over there. जल्दी से करो.
Okay, ma'am.
अमान बेटा समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? Because you have not attended the previous classes, you have to be a little more present in the class.
Ma'am, answer also light. Ma'am, answer also light.
मैं भी देखती हूँ मिष्टी ने क्या करके भेजा. She is saying I've done what she has done. She's in A section or B section?
Ma'am, B.
B, okay. She left the meeting and now she's
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Don't ask me. You can drink, but you cannot switch off your camera.
I'm done.
We have to also write the subtraction sign.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, क्या कह रहे हो? कुछ कहा?
Ma'am, may I drink water?
बेटा don't ask me for a water. अभी मैं कितनी बार बोल चुकी हूँ don't ask me for water, but do not switch off your camera. You can drink water, but without switching off your camera. Don't ask me for water.
Ma'am, after completing, we can send it on WhatsApp.
No, not needed. आई थिंक सब्ट्रैक्शन के सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, तो आप खुद ही कर सकते हो उसको चेक, ठीक है।
Ma'am, I have done my work.
ओके गुड।
Mom, I have done.
Oh, very good. Okay, let me start solving this some of the questions for you so that you can know how to do this. Okay, there will be 2 4 0 0 0. बेटा make some gaps between the digits, okay? जैसे मैं एक थोड़ी थोड़ी space दे रही हूँ ना इधर, you also give some space there in your notebooks. 9 9 9.
I have written.
Very good. ये
Ma'am,
blank आएगा,
ma'am, I
ये
also.
blank आएगा, and just subtract it. Wait a minute. Wait.
Ma'am, I have not to put the subtraction sign.
Ma'am, I have done.
बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। If you have not put the subtraction sign है।
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, let me start doing the next question. I tell you the sorry. 8 4 comma 5 0 0 4 9 comma 6 2 wait 6 2 7 okay. Now start solving it. Put the plus minus sign also over there. Operation used in any question, it is very important. Okay, Stuti, tell me the first answer.
Mom,
बेटा C10 में वे देखो, ये देखो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा स्तुति? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी दिस 0 देखो, मेरी बात सुनो भाई, रुको स्तुति, वेट दिस विल बिकम, दिस 0 विल बी नॉट एबल टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 9, तो क्या करेगा? ये 0 से मांगेगा, ये 0 के पास तो खुद ही 0 है, ये इस वाले 0 से मांगेगा। नाउ इट विल आस्क फ्रॉम दिस 0, it will become 3, it will become 3 here, this 4 will become 3, wait a minute, this 4 will become 3 here, this 3 will give 1 to it, it will become 10 here, और ये 10 जो होगा इसको एक दे देगा, it will become 9, then again it will become 10 and this will become 9, so 9 minus 9 will become 10 minus 9 will become here, 10 minus 9 क्या होगा ये?
0.
10 minus 9 0 1,
Mom,
9 minus 9
1.
9 minus 9
0.
0. Okay, again 9 minus 9 0
Ma'am, 0. 0.
0. Entering so late. Okay, then 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0.
0.
So answer is 2001. Check your answers quickly. This is the answer. 02001. I want all of you to show me on your cameras those who have done. Show me on your cameras that you have done the work. Let me see. जिससे बोलती जाऊंगी वो रखते जाना. Manya, keep it down. Akshat, keep it down. Sheesh, down. Stuti, down. What about Vedanshu, Manas and Avni? Vedanshu, good Vedanshu. Very nicely done.
Ma'am, I am shy done.
अंश दिखाओ बेटा मुझे कैमरे पे. I अंश डन नहीं सुनना है मुझे. I अंश डन. Okay, Aradhya, you can keep it down. Arshika, Athar Singh, Praveer, Kanishka, Zoya, Yashraj, show me on your cameras.
Ma'am, please see.
Show me your work on your cameras. Don't say mic off करके बैठो अपना. Don't say please see and please don't see. I will see myself. Stop it, Manas. Mic off karo. I will see myself. Manas, keep it down. Ansh Patel, keep it down. Aman, show me your work. Shelly, where's your work? Akshaj. Akshaj ने दिखा दिया. Ankush, Yashraj, Arav Solanki, show me your work. Athar Singh, you can keep it down. Aman, do it quickly. Shelly Gupta, do it quickly. Charitra, correct. Good. Arshika, show me your work. Chalo. Arslan, show me your work. Okay. Arslan, show me your work. Okay, Zoya. Kanishka, do it quickly. Write down the answers also, Kanishka. Kanishka, write down the answers. Arslan, jaldi karo.
Ma'am, I am doing.
I am doing. दिखाओ मुझे क्या किया है. Because some of you, what you do, your parents ask you to do the work, your parents left and you just keep on doing, not doing, you're sitting idle. What about Arshika, Alir, Kartik Kumar, Arun, Yuvraj Singh? Alir, तुम्हें लिंक चाहिए बेटा? लिंक बेटा सारे ले लिया करो, काम नहीं करा करो. Okay, Alir? He needs
I have
only
done
link.
the.
Chalo, tell me the next question. Tell me the second question. What will be the answer of the second one?
Moment.
Ma'am, it is 27,870.
Yes, correct is 34,000.
873.
Now 56,000. 2, 3, 4. Next question is, बेटा 5 यहाँ पर नहीं लिखना है. 5 यहाँ पर लिखोगे तो wrong हो जाएगा. If you will write 5 here, it will be wrong. 5 should be under 6. 6,000 की place के नीचे आएगा. That day I think somebody did like that. मुझे नाम याद नहीं आ रहा. I can remember the face. Siddharth. Yes, Siddharth did that like that. Just subtract it and you will get the answer here. Similarly here also 93115 93 comma 115 comma 87 comma 8787 787. Start doing
Ma'am,
it.
next class is also your class.
What?
And next class is math class.
Next reasoning है बेटा. अक्षत कौन से section की है? A या B?
Ma'am, A.
A की है. Wait a minute. Which is your next period? B. A का है period. B section में which period is there tomorrow, today?
Ma'am,
Hindi literature. It is taken by Payal ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
And
okay.
ma'am, we have.
Okay बेटा, let it be. चलो second, fourth, third answer बताओ मुझे जल्दी से.
Ma'am, the answer is 50,336.
50,346. Yes. 346 is the answer. Yes, tell the next answer now.
Ma'am, 6,328.
No, not 6,000. It is not coming 6,000.
5,328.
5,328. Okay. Check your answers. Make a box and write there also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I am Arav Solanki. बोलते तो I am Arav Solanki जरूर है, but he never send the work on the WhatsApp. Oh, it's 11:50. Oh my God. Beta,
Ma'am, this is. Ma'am, I send.
आरव सोलंकी बेटा कभी वीडियो भी ऑन करके अपने बैठ जाया करो. हैं? मैं चिल्लाती रहती हूँ आरव सोलंकी, open your video, open your video. You never open your video.
Ma'am, my video
What I
is
am
open.
said? What I am send? You are sent. तुम send हो गए हो?
No, ma'am, work.
हैं? I am sent. तुम send हो गए हो? Wait a minute, let me just send you the answers of this question on the WhatsApp group 4D. Or Araf Solanki, who asked you to send? I am send.
No, ma'am.
Mom,
क्या
those
no,
who
ma'am?
have done on WhatsApp.
वो मिष्टी चली गई, उनसे मैंने पूछ लिया था ना. Where is your work? She
Ma'am,
left the meeting.
standard WhatsApp.
नहीं, no. Are you not present in class? 10 times I said no need to send it on WhatsApp group. Chapter 4th DP. VD also I'm sending on WhatsApp group.
No, this kira.
Chalo. Let us start the next question now. Shall I stop sharing this one? Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there someone is still doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is still doing? Raise your hands. Who is still doing? Raise your hand those who are still doing it. Okay, once again I'm sharing the screen. Just check it if you have not done. Not done, do it again. Do it quickly. Check your answers quickly. Chalo, now I'm going to start a new topic. बहुत easy सा topic है वो. ठीक है, but let me tell there in the topic what is there in the next topic? Relationship between the addition and subtraction. How addition and subtraction are related to each other. How addition and subtraction are related to each other. आप ये बताओ इधर एक सेकंड. I'll give you, not ask you, I'll show you some examples. Wait a minute. Calm your mouse. Okay, I hope everyone can see my video now. All of you can see my video and open your videos as well.
Yes.
Now I'm going to tell you the relationship between addition and subtraction. Okay, addition और subtraction का क्या relation होता है बेटा? If I say add 3 and 2, what is the answer you will get?
Ma'am, 5.
5.
Ma'am, 5.
And if I ask you to subtract 5 minus 3, what will you get?
Number 2.
Ma'am, 2.
As you can see, 3, 2, 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. Now, if I say 8 minus 4, 8 minus 9. 9 minus is 7. And if I say 7 plus 2 is what? 8 minus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Can you see the any similarity between here and here and here and here? Which is same as this is the sum. This is the sum. And this is the minuend. This is the minuend. अब देखो sum और minuend same है.
Yes, ma'am.
सम और माइन्यूएंड सेम है.
Yes, ma'am.
सम ये रहा, सॉरी सम ये रहा, इसमें माइन्यूएंड ये है और सम ये है. तो सम एंड माइन्यूएंड आर सेम. सम एंड माइन्यूएंड आर सेम. अब इधर माइनस 3 है, एक ये दोनों इन दोनों का एडेड बोलते हैं. ये एडेड इधर आ रहा है. एडेड बिकम सबट्रैहेंड. एडेड बिकम सबट्रैहेंड. इसका माइक ऑन है, कंटिन्यूअसली आवाज आ रही है. द अरब सोलंकी, आई अरब सोलंकी, I am saying, please switch off your mic. तनिष्का यादव बेटा, आपके घर में जो भी हो रहा है वो सबको सुनाई दे रहा है. ठीक है. So बेटा, what happens? Sum becomes a minuend. क्या होता है? This is addition एडिशन जो सब्ट्रैक्शन का ऑपोजिट होता है, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन का ऑपोजिट होता है, ऑपोजिट मतलब जस्ट उसका उल्टा होता है, ठीक है। सी नाउ, अगर मैंने आपको नंबर दिया है, अगर मैंने आपसे कहा है 10 में से आप 4 माइनस कीजिए, 10 माइनस 4 इज 6। अब आपको चेक करना है कि मेरा आंसर ठीक आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है। टू चेक इट, हाउ विल यू चेक इट कि मैंने जो माइनस किया है वो ठीक आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है। तो आप क्या करेंगे, 4 में यू विल ऐड 4 and 6 you will add, 4 and 6 you will add. Is it the minuend coming? It is coming to the minuend. Sum is coming to the minuend. Yes, it is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is correct. Understood? The sum
Yes,
is coming
ma'am.
equal to minuend. If the sum is equals to minuend, then yes, our answer is correct. ठीक है, ये तो इजी सा था, इसका तो आपको पता है, ठीक है। इफ आई गिव यू बिग नंबर, लार्ज नंबर दे देती हूँ इसी को, हाउ विल यू चेक इट? सपोज आई हैव गिवन यू अ नंबर 1314 minus 202. Suppose you subtracted 4 minus 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. This is coming. Now, if you have to check it, whether my answer is coming correct or not. So, how will you check? You will use this number 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 0, 2. Opposite of plus is minus is plus, just add them. 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4. See, this number is coming to this number. That means yes, your answer is correct.
Correct.
Ma'am, this you are.
हाँ, क्या हुआ बेटा? क्या हुआ बेटा? अच्छा, एक जो मैंने ये बताया माइनस का प्लस हो जाता है, दिस इज नोन एज इनवर्स ऑपरेशन. व्हाट इज नोन एज इनवर्स ऑपरेशन? दिस इज नोन एज व्हाट? इनवर्स ऑपरेशन.
Inverse operation.
अंडरस्टूड? समझ आ रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shall I
ma'am.
start the next question?
Yes.
थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन
Yes,
लेती है, बट सब
ma'am.
लिखेंगे because I will ask you to send the answers on the WhatsApp. Okay? I will send the answers on the WhatsApp of the next question. So अभी करो जल्दी से, अभी नहीं कल सेंड करोगे because 2 minutes are left. तब तक आप क्वेश्चन ही लिख पाओगे. Start writing down the question. Wait. Again, maths में notebook, new page you have to start. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, with new date also.
है?
Ma'am, with new date also.
Obviously. बेटा 4th day you have to join again, okay? रीजनिंग का पीरियड है इसके बाद. Okay, question number C. Question C is find the difference of the following numbers. Find the difference of the following numbers. पहले है फर्स्ट लाइन में you will write find the difference of the following numbers. Number 2 लाइन में लिखोगे check. This is in the second line. Start writing check. दक्ष पहलजानी is entering now. Very good. अच्छा, वो नेक्स्ट पीरियड के लिए रेडी होंगे. चलो बेटा, let's do it tomorrow itself. Period is going to be over. So bye everyone. See, I'll do it. Maybe we'll do this tomorrow. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
4th day join again.
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am.
4th day you have to join the link because of the reasoning period.